Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 and today I would like to show you how you can use Sound Recorder on this device. Firstly, you need to find folder Tools and click on it. Now tap on Recorder and select Allow. Click on the right button to start your recording. You can pause it by clicking on the same button and unpause it the same way. If you want to end and save your recording, click on the right button over here, name it, and when you're done, click OK. To see a list of all your recordings, tap on the same right icon, and as you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you want to delete it, hold it, click on the bin icon over here, and select Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!